Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Hansen. Um, we are beginning a new unit this week for everyone across the board for ESL. Um, I hope all of you had a success completing the first one that we had been working on for 3 weeks. I know some of you had a little trouble and were asking questions, and some maybe got a little bit behind, but hopefully you all completed or should be complete in a day or so. Um, I wanted to walk you guys through, in light of what Dr. Wilson Hume said last week. Um, we're going to have to adjust how we do some of these units. So, one change that we did have to make is in order to fit in the last 2 units that we wanted you guys to complete, we had to cut off a week from each of those. So instead of having 3 weeks to complete these, you only have 2. And we realized that that adds extra pressure on you guys. So what we thought was most important was to complete those exercises within each lesson. So you'll notice here, for instance, we do give you the task of completing each lesson within the unit, but the questions that we assign for at least some of the older students, you do not have to do. Some of your teachers may still want you to review those when you have discussions on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I listed them here. And then your unit project is now optional. If you'd like to do that as an extension, expound your learning or do a little more research on this, that would be wonderful, but we do not expect you to do it now. So the main difference is you only have to do the unit work. So that would average out to be about 3 per week. So if you just plan your schedule accordingly, that's what that means. Okay, so these haven't posted. They're going to post tomorrow morning. I'm filming this the night before. 3rd through 4th grade, you have Icy Antarctica. 5th through 6th grade, you have what's called perspectives. All right, it's going to be a big spiral staircase on the picture. 7th through 8th grade, you have Australia and the South Pacific. I'm jealous of that one because I used to live in the South Pacific and it's awesome. And then 9th through 12th grade, you have the unit called Making Music. So just kind of taking a look at one of these. I see Antarctica for 3rd and 4th grade. Again, this is going to be split up this way. You'll have an introductory video, but you're going to have 6 lessons to complete in this. Again, if you plan on doing 3 per week, you should be able to get through this fine. Otherwise, that is everything that I have. I hope that you guys are being successful with this and that you're able to make it work. For my guys that I teach regularly, we've been able to make it work okay. But again, if you have any questions or comments or concerns, please don't hesitate to post them here. I or your teacher will do our best to answer. But I hope you guys have a good next 2 weeks as we go through this next stuff. It looks pretty interesting to me. All right, thanks, guys.